What's up, guys? It's Blake from Chasing Creative, and the world of websites is changing rapidly. You and I both know that AI is on the precipice of replacing a lot of jobs that were there before. We see it with copywriting, compute analysis, and even design with the entry of Claude Code. Now, it doesn't replace the intent. You can create agents that run off a model in preset directions and plans. The marketers that I'm following and the things that I'm doing are most affected by generating prompts that are reusable and design systems and brand guidelines that models can work off of. We're always trying to use that next model with the highest rating and capabilities, which costs more tokens and you get less access to. But when building a website, it's important to not think about it in the traditional way. Years ago, people would spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a custom website, and there's still some cases where that should apply. But today, Chasing Creative can build a really high-tech website with great SEO, direction, CMS, location, and easy updates ongoing. We basically charge a fee to get going on a project like any retainer would be. The difference is I would say 9 out of 10 of our customers stick with us to have a monthly maintenance package to review their website and offer suggestions and ideas. If they don't have the time for it, we can also implement those programs onto their website. Why do you do this? One, to free up capacity. Teams are extremely busy. They have all the desires and institutional knowledge to update websites and change copy and things like that. They just don't have the time to allocate towards it and don't necessarily understand the tools and how to do it. Websites then become stagnant, unchanged, and basically just sit there and don't get worked on. Secondly, because we have the skill set, we are constantly learning about new tech stacks. Websites evolve today. They don't just get posted online and are live and then you iterate tiny little things over time. No, you go live with the website and you optimize, build out pages, and understand how you can be considered a brand expert or subject matter expert in your space so that AI chat can find you quicker. Also, the biggest thing we work on with customers, and this is number 3, understand your routing. And this is what we call when a user comes into the website and it's the user journey of where they're going to go. Routing means having a clear navigation system, things that should be clickable to drive value and attention from an interested ICP, ideal customer profile that comes to your website should be clear, easy to read, mobile friendly, and more. And that's what we do each and every day. We work with luxury real estate, SaaS brands, infrastructure brands, audiovisual, financial groups, and e-commerce brands to deliver websites that are clear, easy, and have some best practices. We try to incorporate fun with animations and make it easy to scroll because we know that brands and users need to connect somewhere. It's the modern day store, and a website is your top salesperson when you're sleeping, when somebody's busy in a meeting. People are going to your website, and the leads that come through can be important, but it's more to affirm people, I believe, in mid-funnel, unless you're an e-commerce brand. B2B brands most benefit from having a place of education, information, and understanding of the actual product or service you're selling because most high intent buyers in complex industries always understand or already have a good understanding of what their needs are. They go to your website for affirmation of you are who you say you are. You're an expert, which is why blogging, information, education is so important. And then they trust you to close the deal and go through that phase of the project. This is why Chasing Creative is not just someone who builds websites. We are marketers who have seasoned experience in creativity and web builds, working on trusted platforms rather than our own hosting and things like that, because we know in the long term, these platforms are investing what's best for our customers and clients. If you're interested in learning more about Chasing Creative and our website builds and how we can support and partner with you, please hit the link below or message me. My name is Blake Wise. I'm the founder of Chasing Creative, a boutique marketing agency based in Palm Coast, Florida. Cheers.